How to become a seller on Etsy. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to become a seller and start selling on Etsy easily and fast in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is simply go to etsy.com and log into your account. Now go to the top here, click on your account option. As you can see, now go down and click on sell on Etsy. Now after you click on it, it will take you to this page. Click on get started and wait a few seconds. Now fill those informations. For example, selling is my full-time job. Click save and continue. Now add your shop name, for example Jacob Shop, and one, for example L. Let's add the name. For example, I'm going to choose this one, Jacob by Mark, and click save and continue. Now create a listing here. Choose, for example, a photo from here, as you can see. And yeah, click save and continue after you finish. And now fill all those informations here, and your store will be published. It's so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.